Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Savannah wig by Margu in the color 614 GR. So let's take a look at this real quick. This color is very pretty. It's very similar to a 613, which is a very light sort of butter blonde, except it has a really pretty root. The root on this is kind of a medium brown. So this color is very pretty. It's like a really light rooted sort of beach blonde. Savannah has a very relaxed, very pretty sort of wavy texture. I'm going to go ahead and comb her on camera so you can take a look at it. I think this wig is darling. I think it's very, very cute on. I especially love all of the layering on this one. It's very fun to play with. And especially after you comb her, she looks very pretty. Now you keep seeing my bio hair pop through back here, but that's not actually the wig being that dark back there. I love the way the front on this is cut. I just think that's very becoming, how that sort of sweeps across the face like that. And it sort of does it on both sides. So this is a very cute little wig. The weight on Savannah is 4 ounces. The bangs are 6, and they're definitely meant to be swept off to the side like that. The top down depends on where you're looking. It can go anywhere from 5 inches to 10.5. Very layered wig. The sides are about 9 to 11 inches depending on where you're looking, and the nape is 10. So let me go ahead and show you what Savannah looks like on all sides. So yeah, this one is really darling. I'm going to go ahead and take Savannah off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Here's that color up close. You can see it's very much like a static 613, but with a really nice dramatic root. I mean, there is a little subtle variation of tone in here, but it's extraordinarily subtle. So from far away, it definitely just looks like a very light beachy blonde. So the top on this one has that rose lace, so it is a standard cap wig. A little bit of felt here at the front hairline, no lace front. Bump of permatease at the crown, and that's what that is right there. It's open wefted on the sides, open in the back with an extended nape. It also has Velcro adjusters with a little band of felt in the back, even though there's no felt anywhere else on that nape. And the ear tabs are open, so Savannah's very easy to wear glasses with. The rooting on here looks kind of ashy, actually. And there's that permatease top. I'm going to go ahead and put Savannah back on for you now. I find this one really comfortable on. I mean, it's definitely tight on me, but that's because I have a big head. So you can see where that permatease is back here, a little bump it. But it works for Savannah because she's got all this layering, and it just kind of helps the wig lay a little bit better. So this has been my review of the really cute Savannah wig by Margu in the color 614 GR. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. If you get a chance, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.